Okay, my bad. Oh, he's almost ready. There he is. Yeah, he's right here.
Bring him on in.
Yep.
Oh, you got bang.
Holy shit.
Something came in and tried to eat his ass. I don't know what that was.
Yeah, big old stink.
Oh, he's on. Nice. Triple.
3?
Yeah.
There we go. Bringing him in.
Oh, he's way back there.
Yeah.
Oh, what a...
That was a fucking crazy jump.
Yeah, look. Tip up. Tip up. There you go. Back in the sled and I saw him from the air. Oh, there he is. I looked up in the rocks. What was it? We can leave the hook in the
Planner got hit, jump off you.
You guys are standing there?
Oh. I think he's getting close now. Yeah. Oh. I don't see him yet. Oh, there he is. I see him. That's a nice looking fish. Whee. Want me to just bring him in, or? Oh, got into another line. Whee. Oh, yeah. I'll just open it up for you. There we go. Woo. Forearm's tired. Oh, that's heavy. What is it? Oh. No. Wait. Don't reel. No, I know, I'm not reeling.
You guys can't throw his head out of the water though.
Oh, my bad. Let's see.
I can't get the fish like that.
Watch it, I'll keep it in the water. Oh, I should have dropped it. And I was afraid he was going to swim into the motor.
Good. Oh yeah. Big Jack?
Oh, that's a beautiful king.
Holy fuck.
That's huge.
On the light tackle rod, huh? Nice one, dude. No wire, too. Good job, man. That's not an easy fish to get with no wire on. Hell yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah, this is definitely better.
Pull them on. I can see it way up or something.
Oh, yeah, she's pulling something behind you. Oh, that's right in the cock. Oh. Yeah, that was right on the balls.
Nice and nice soft.
Yeah, a little tenderizer. Oh shit, what is this?
such a fight to the side, no?
Holy shit, yeah.
Bang for your buck.
Yeah, that's up. Oh, he's going up. I can see him swimming. Oh, there he is. There he is, there he is, there he is, there he is. Yeah, he's right here.
Bring him on in.
Yep.
Oh, you got a bang.
Holy shit.
Something came in and tried to eat his ass. I don't know what that was.
The taxman. Oh. Oh, you see that? That's a fish. Holy shit. Yeah. Yeah, no pike ever fights this hard, that's for sure. This is a little largemouth bass. Nope. The fact that's a 7-pound fish is crazy to me. Okay. That was at one point. Yeah, bam, okay. Oh, shit. He's just staying out there. My bad. Thank you. Oh, yeah, I'm starting to get sweat on. Oh, come on. No, he didn't come. Oh, there he is. He didn't come off. Oh, there he is. Swimming at me here. Basically here now.
Don't reel, just left.
Yep.
Keep left in.
Woo!
That's a big boy there.
Holy crap. Yeah, I loosened it all. Woo!
Stick that.
There we are.
Tip right in the rod hole.
Woo!
No, I just don't know where it's going.
Mahi. It's a nice mahi. Here we go. Okay, I think he's almost ready.
Yeah, there's more than one out there.
Yeah, there's a lot out there. There was like 3 that followed. Is this proper even on? This is proper. Whee! Triple, you're on, I think, too. Okay. Holy. Oh, that's a nice line. Oh. Ooh, look at that big one. Whoa. You got 2 on at once? That'd be crazy. Oh, did he take it off your line? Oh. Okay, my bad. Oh, he's almost ready. Holy. All right, bringing him in. Oh, I'll reel him on. Not reel him on.
Your luck is broken. Your luck is
To bring him in.
Open your belt.
Yeah, I got it. There we go. The luck is back, eh? Yeah, they're fun to catch, these things. three at one time. Oh, just re-hooker.
Is there any more out there?
Oh, there was like 3 that followed it.
Oh, he's jumping.
What is it? Oh,
What? Mahi.
Big old mahi. Okay, look.
There you go.
Yep.
I got it. Nice one, dude.
Triple. Oh. You got a mahi or something like that? Ooh, that's a nice mahi. Woo! The backflip. Come here. You big old stink.
Oh, he's on. Nice, dude. Triple.
3.
Yeah.
There we go. Bringing him in.
Oh, he's way back there.
Yeah, those top lines are extra long. My bad. Oh, no. Oh.
I think this one just went off too.
Whee.
Damn it. No, he's on. Go. Real fast. Oh, the planner?
The planner.
Planner?
Popped off.
Okay.
Okay, I'll check it out in a second. Here, I'll reel this one right up. I'll check the planner here. Oh shit, I have some work to do. Planner's up. You want me to pop it off?
No, sit down, take it. Watch the tip.
I don't think so.
He's in. Coming in. I'm kind of between two people here. I got you.
I don't think there's anything on it. Should I let it sit out there? Or just reel it in? I'm not gonna get out of the way.
Oh, what a shit.
That was a fucking crazy job.
He was not happy about that. Is that the size? Yeah, he's good. Keep it. That guy's got some pepper in him. You don't want to be.
I don't want to be,
You don't want to be that guy. So we got all three of these.
Yeah, I could probably just take this one out.
Yep, all single.
Did the bacon taken off? Nope, everything's still there. Holy shit.
It's all the good living. It's all the good living we do.
It's the Canadian luck.